香港憑借一國兩制嘅獨特優勢，發揮連接內地與國際市場嘅超級聯繫人同超級增值人功能，擔當國際人才樞紐同國家人才門戶嘅雙重角色，具備吸引海內外高端人才嘅條件、能力同優勢。特區政府推出多項吸納人才計劃，包括2022年底推出高端人才通行證計劃，旨在吸納高收入人士或頂尖學府嘅畢業生。2年前 ，Robert 透過高才通計劃帶同家人來港，目前從事企業融資工作。
I looked at Singapore and Hong Kong when I wanted to come back to Asia. One, the efficiency, the opportunities in Hong Kong, the connectivity back to mainland China. It's completely different atmosphere to Singapore. That's why I chose it here. You can come in within a short period of time, meet all of the key professional in certain sector very easily. And I think this is the one that really impressed me the most.
截至2025年12月底，高才通計劃總共收到超過15萬宗申請，超過12萬宗獲批。首批高才通嘅申請續簽率達52%，而申請獲批比例高達94%。高才通計劃可為香港帶嚟每年約340億元嘅經濟貢獻。國際管理發展學院發布嘅2025年世界人才排名，香港嘅排名由第9位躍升至第4位，係歷年最高嘅排名，並成為亞洲之冠，顯示香港係全球人才奮鬥逐夢嘅理想之地。Jonas 曾經喺北京工作，2年前從澳洲嚟港，喺跨國公司任職策略顧問。
In 2018, I moved to Beijing without ever being to China before, and that was a huge culture shock, but I'm very glad I did it. It was an amazing experience. So I knew that this time around, moving to Hong Kong with its mix of East and West, it wouldn't be as much of a culture shock. You know, I could still go to the Gui Lo bars, the Gui Lo restaurants, eat Western food, speak English daily. And so that's what really drew me to Hong Kong, because I knew that it's a fantastic fusion of both cultures.
截至2025年12月底，各項輸入人才計劃已經有超過26萬人才來港工作同發展，70%喺40歲以下。新來港嘅人才有助補充本地勞動力，促進香港經濟發展，強化人才樞紐地位。